Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, September 16th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework. Honors math, that is still to be announced. You would have had that during 6th period. You should know. In science, we've got an assignment called Changing Metric Units. This is a sheet, it's a piece of paper that will be coming home. You need to make sure that you're using your orange chart that you created in class today to go through. Remember, you need to find out which unit you are starting with, and then which unit are you moving to, and then you're either moving your decimal to the left or you're moving it to the right. How many places? Make sure you're using that chart. And social studies, there is no homework in language arts. Google Classroom, we've got Chapter 4 entry called Seed Ideas. These are 10 items that you might be interested in reading about this year. And in literature, just remember, Wednesday, half our AR points are due. And we're also going to be doing notebook checks for all of our AR summaries. And it's careers in life. If you do not get much done today, please work on your career project. And in FCS 6, please start studying and reviewing all the communication work we have done for the test on Wednesday. That is it for this Monday. Everyone have a great day.